We're back.
Oh gosh.
We're doing our sugar cookies today. I didn't show you guys the design we chose. We are doing beanies and, is that it? Oh, and mittens. I got my mom made a snowman outline so that I can do that Instagram cookie trend with you. I'll show it to you. Hopefully it turns out. Alright, we're mixing the gradient. This is going to be the darkest shade of red, pink. Yeah, it doesn't really matter how much is in there.
It doesn't.
It just matters that we measure it correctly to do the gradient.
Right. Roy.
Well, it's ruined.
Huh?
I said, well, it's ruined.
It is. It is ruined. Yeah. Okay.
What if we just put this white in there?
What if we start over?
What is that? What is that? Is that going to be icing for our cookies? Yeah? Yeah? This is our base color. This will be the darkest red, and then we're going to add a little bit of the red in with some white to make one shade lighter and then 2 shades lighter, and then white will be the lightest shade. This is our gradient, and then white will be the last color. So I just have to add a little bit of water to these 3 so that I can get them the consistency that I need, and then we can start decorating. Theo's hanging on a blanket on the kitchen floor being patient. Aren't you, Bubs? Aren't you? Are you being a patient boy? Yeah. This is the gradient we're doing. Red, medium pink, light pink, and then white. These are all way too runny. They're just falling off the cookie. Just finished up the colored parts, so they each have the gradient on them. And if you want to have the icing flat on here so that all of it is one dimension, you have to put the colors on while the frosting is still wet. So you put the icing on and then the colors right away, and then they sink down into it. If you want more texture and you want the dots to sit above it so you can tell the difference in height, then you wait for the bottom layer to dry completely and then put the dots on it. So I wanted it to look like it was actually in the fabric. All right, time for me to go to bed. We're back again for the 40th time.
Oh my gosh.
Yesterday we were having issues mixing the red, and so I ended up decorating them last night, which you guys saw. But today we are going to do the little bands and the puffs on the hats, and then the bands on the mittens, and put these cute sprinkles on them to make it look fuzzy. So I will show you when we start decorating. Right now my mom is just measuring or mixing up the white to make it the right consistency. Alright, that's what it looks like. We just have to wait for it to dry. showed yesterday that I made that Starbucks cookie myself. I feel like it looks pretty similar. So we're gonna try to get the photo. What do you think, dude? Are you gonna smile? Bobs, are you being spoiled with grandma time? Are you being so spoiled with grandma time?
I'm being spoiled.
Hi. I'm editing this video right now and I had a couple of thoughts. So first of all, I thought that I showed the inspiration for these cookies, but I guess I didn't. I must not have hit record, which happened a couple of times while I was filming this video. I was just like thinking I was recording, but I wasn't. Anyway, the inspiration came from the Instagram account hall_fox. She has so many beautiful, beautiful cookies, and her color palettes are always so pretty. So this is the inspiration photo. We actually have a beanie cookie cutter that's shaped more like that one that we've used in the past, but my mom forgot that we had that one, so she made the cookies ahead of time, so she made the other shape. Whatever, they're still beanies. Either way, hall_fox has beautiful, beautiful cookies. And then the second thing I wanted to mention is that I included our mistakes in here. Oh, bless you. I included our mistakes both with the coloring and then also when I was decorating, how the icing was just falling off of the cookie. Because my mom and I, years ago now, took a cookie decorating class and we learned all about, you know, the consistency and colors and all of that. All of that to say, we've been doing this for a long time, and like, we're not professionals by any sense of the imagination, but we still make a lot of mistakes. So if you're feeling discouraged, just know that, I mean, we've been doing this for years and we make lots of mistakes all the time. So it's just a practice and adjust as you go type of situation. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I always share the cookies that we do every year, but I will insert a couple of photos from cookies that we've done in the past because we've done some really cute ones. So I will insert some of those next.